Corpbiz.
Hello and welcome to Corpbiz. My name is Shalin Verma, and in today's video we will understand the rules and provisions related to the consent certificate and waste management authorization for hospitals and healthcare establishments. As per the Air Act and Water Act, a consent certificate, also known as the Pollution NOC, is required by all public and private healthcare establishments like healthcare facilities, hospitals, and medical laboratories. As per the CPCB category list of industries, a hospital or a healthcare facility is mainly water polluting, while solid, hazardous, and biomedical waste generated by these units are segregated at the source. The wastewater must be treated before it reaches the sewage. Therefore, these establishments needs an NOC from the concerned SPCB or the PCC. The biomedical waste generated during the treatment is separated and either treated in the facility or sent to a common biomedical waste treatment facility. This is known as the Bio-medical Waste Authorization. Let's understand the criteria for the Pollution Control Board certificates for these establishments. So, the disposal of wastewater is based on two factors: the quantity of wastewater generated and the presence of incineration facility on the premises. As per the CPCB, the water pollution score of healthcare facilities is normalized to 100 and applies to hospitals generating more than 100 kiloliters of wastewater per day. In fact, hospitals and incinerators for biomedical waste disposals are categorized under the red category, irrespective of the quantity of wastewater they generate. Hospitals having total wastewater generation of less than 100 kiloliters per day and without incinerators are categorized in the orange category. If you have identified in what category a healthcare facility belongs, let's now understand how you can apply for a pollution board certificate. As with any other industrial establishment, the application process for PCB's consent for hospital and healthcare establishment follows three stages: application, document scrutiny, and issuance of the NOC. The consent certificate is issued in two parts, that is, before the construction of the facility begins, where the CTE is given, and the second is given when the project is completed and ready to function. Here, a consent to operate is awarded. During the CTO stage, the inspection of the site will be conducted, where the site inspecting officer will make inspection report on the following factors: details about the location and boundary of the site, effluent generation and control systems, collection, treatment and disposal areas for effluent, air pollution sources and control systems, sources of solid waste, hazardous waste and their generation, storage and disposal methods, operation and maintenance records of effluent treatment plants, operation as well as maintenance records of pollution control equipments for controlling air and noise pollution. If the inspection report prepared by the inspector is satisfactory, the facility is granted the pollution NOC. Now let's see what are the documents required for the consent NOC. These include a duly filled application on the concerned SPCB's website, undertaken in the prescribed format, site plan or layout plan with a roadmap, detailed project report, point sources of effluent discharge, solid waste, hazardous waste and air emissions, land documents such as copy of rent or lease proof, industry registration, consent fees, balance sheet certified by a CA, details of water, air pollution control instruments and solid waste, plastic waste and hazardous waste management, laboratory analysis report of the ETP, and finally a copy of environmental clearance if applicable. Now, another important certificate that is needed is the Bio-medical Waste Management Authorization. This certificate is required for facilities that generate and dispose of waste, as well as for those establishments that uses the services of a common biomedical waste treatment facility. Let's try to understand why. So, biomedical waste generation and segregation also need authorization from the SPCB under the Biomedical Waste Management Rules of 2016. So, even if the unit is not disposing of the biomedical waste themselves, the healthcare facility will need to apply for this authorization for the generation and segregation of the waste. So with this we come to an end to this video. However, it is important to note that the state pollution control boards have been issuing guidelines and important orders to the state government, and the medical councils of the state oversees the waste management by hospitals and healthcare facilities due to the contaminating nature of these waste. So if you are looking for any of the above two authorizations, Corpbiz can assist your healthcare establishment in the consent and authorization process and help you with the post compliances. We are the leading environmental consultancy company renowned for our technology driven solutions for various environmental licensing and compliance services. I hope you found this information useful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.